this side Vivek Kushwaha, and I am physics faculty here from I-30 side. So today we will discuss about one of the most important topic in the science, which is the air pressure. So what is the air pressure I will discuss, and I will demonstrate a certain example with you all. So what is the air pressure, you should understand. You know, in daily life we are actually observing this air pressure at every situation, right? For example, if we are using this particular concept I am telling to you, what is the atmospheric pressure? That is nothing but that is the weight of the air column which is above on head, right? So for example, I am talking about this particular person. In this situation, this person is situated at the sea level. What is the meaning of the sea level? That is the ground level. So what is the sea level? This is the ground level I am telling to you all, and this is the air column. Means on the head of this particular man, this column of air, right? This particular column has a certain weight, and this weight is directly proportional to the atmospheric pressure. That particular pressure is felt by this particular man, right? Whenever this man is going upward, means this is the altitude, means the particular man is at the higher altitude in the mountain. So the air column weight will be reduces because of the height, the air will reduces, right? So that is a very, very important concept. Means whenever we are moving upward, approximately 8 kilometer, right, from the sea level, the air density will decreases. Means at the higher level, you know, there is an atmosphere. After atmosphere there will be no air will present, right? So whenever air is not present.
Hello students, I am Aman Gupta, your math teacher. In today's class we are going to discuss about the topic polynomials. Before starting this topic, let's recall some things. Already you discussed this topic in your class 7th and 8th by the name of algebraic expression, okay? But now for your class 9th and 10th, this topic will name as polynomials, okay? Before starting, let's understand on what category we can divide this chapter, this topic. First on the basis of degree, and second on the basis of number of terms. Talking about the degree, what is degree? Degree is the highest power of variable present in the given polynomial, okay? So on that behalf, if we are going to divide the polynomials, there should be 4 categories: constant, linear, quadratic and cubic. To memorize it very well, we can start like a whole numbers. Like what? If I am going to talk about the constant polynomial, that means the polynomial which is having degree 0 called
Okay. Good morning everyone, my name is Nitin Chaturvedi and I am here to take a subject of chemistry in pre-foundation division. Today I am going to discuss a topic about acid, base and salt. So in our daily life also we found many acids and bases around us, but we don't notice them. So first of all I will take an example of taking the reaction which comes later into the subject or topic, but I have to take it first to explain it in detail. So I will start with, first one is neutralization reaction. So what happens in neutralization reaction? When an acid react with base, it produces salt and water. So if I take an example of a neutralization reaction, that is going to be NaOH plus HCl, which will produce NaCl and H2O. So to understand an acid and base, if you look at...
Hello, myself Dr. Suhana. I am the biology faculty from the P Foundation division and I am from the I-30 representative here. First of all, we start from the chloroplast topic. What is chloroplast basically? Chloroplast is the type of the plastid. There are 3 types of the plastid. First one is chloroplast, second one is chromoplast and third one is leucoplast. Chloroplast, in which chlorophyll pigment is present, that provide green color to the plants and help in the photosynthesis. Second one is chromoplast, which provide other than green color to the plants. Next one is leucoplast. Leuco means white color. That means it is a colorless plastid. So colorless plastid is here. That means it doesn't provide any color. So what is the Thank you so much for watching the video. For further inquiries, please visit to the GIS I-30 campus.